This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, smoke detector, awning, TV, oven, water heater, skylight, microwave, LP detector, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB is 7,190 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.